Hey guys, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, April 13th, Friday the 13th. How you doing? Kind of a mixed green and red here. You got oil up, dollar up, gold up. Russell SPY's down, Dow down. Transport's up. Kind of a mixed commish to salad on this deal here. What kind of a day do we have? We've been waiting and we've been talking about it. When are we going to disengage the negative headlines or the headlines, be it plus or minus or up or down or positive or negative, the wild card coming out of Washington? We don't know how that runs. We've got Syria, we've got China, we've got tariffs, we've got Fed. I've said let's re-navigate, let's renegotiate, let's start changing our focus towards earnings season. And in fact, we did. It didn't turn out like a lot of people thought. Earnings came out and they were good. The banks reported, Citi, Fargo, JP Morgan, solid earnings. But how did that affect the market? We came in this morning, we're up 150 points. JP up 2, Citi up $1 and change. Caused a solid, positive rally opening on the market this morning, Friday the 13th. And then what in fact happened, I know you can't see the graph here, but that was the high of the day and we ended up closing near the lows of the day. We had a reversal. What in fact did happen? Was it buy the rumor, sell the news? Was the fact that there was the conference call after? I guess JP Morgan had the main one, then Citi and Fargo, I believe, had their post-earnings conference call where they talked about weak deposits, weak robust loan activity amongst consumers, and then the consumer confidence numbers came out. And in fact, that sort of spiraled the market down. So we're not really sure, or was it is it the fears of something took over from that short-lived positive mode that came out over earnings and rolled the market over. JP Morgan went from up 2 to down 5. Citibank retraced and came back down $1. That dragged the market down. People a lot invested in a positive, robust banking earnings post out. It was in fact, but as we've seen often, when it's followed up with guidance calls and whatnot that can be a little reinterpreted as possibly negative, that can change the market, and that did. That whole banking sector retracement in the Fargos, the Citis, and the JPs took the market down. Now, it is Friday. We always talk about the Friday trifecta, news about Syria, possible attacks, interactions with Russia, and whatnot. That could weigh on the market. People don't really know the Comey, the Trump, the Ryan leaving, turmoil in Washington, turmoil in the markets, turmoil here in Wall Street, NYSE Einstein, inside Verstov. Giddy up on that. So where does that leave us? A Friday that opened at the top, closed off the lows, but at lows of the session. We peaked lower during a 2:30, apparently around 3:20. So 2:30, 3 o'clock, market started to break. 3:20, some kind of a news chatter came out of the fact that there were planes being scattered and smattered and splattered all over the place. And then the market bounced off some technical support. I guess, I don't really know what happened, short cover or whatnot. We ended up in negative mode. Let's look at it. Dow Jones down 130. Volume a bit anemic. This is sort of a holiday week. We don't really know. It's a post-Easter Passover week. Could be a spring breakish. Volumes have been light yesterday, the lowest volume of the year. Transport's up an odd lot. The volumes were down 400, up 300, sort of anemic there. 55.45 sellish posture. Oil, solid rally up 8% for the week. That's been the thing. The energy sector kept this market up. I guess that sort of got a little bit weaker in the end of the day. So net, I believe it was a positive week overall. It was a volatile week for sure overall. We've got a lot of stuff looming. We've got earnings yet to come. Let's see how this pans out. It's Friday the 13th. I'm exhausted. It felt like we were here for a year this week. And I'm done. Einstein out inside Verstov. I love y'all. I'll see you on Monday.